Hello viewers, welcome to Artful Plaster, your ultimate destination for exquisite 3D gypsum wall decoration. Our YouTube channel is dedicated to inspiring and guiding you through the fascinating world of creating stunning plaster wall designs that transform any space into a work of art. Join us as we delve into the realm of 3D gypsum wall decoration, where imagination meets craftsmanship. Our channel showcases a wide range of techniques, tutorials, and tips to help you master the art of plaster wall decor. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced decorator, our content caters to all skill levels, ensuring you find something valuable and exciting here. Discover the endless possibilities of gypsum as we explore various design styles and themes. From intricate floral patterns and geometric shapes to abstract textures and relief sculptures, we bring you step-by-step tutorials to achieve remarkable results. Our experienced artisans and designers will guide you through the entire process, offering insights into the material selection, tools, and techniques to bring your vision to life. In addition to tutorials and inspiration, we offer product reviews showcasing the latest tools, materials, and accessories of your gypsum wall decoration projects. Stay up to date with the newest innovations in the industry and make informed choices to enhance your creative process. Join our vibrant community of decorators, die enthusiasts, and art lovers. Engage with the followers, subscribe through the comments, discussions, and sharing your own creations. We encourage you to ask questions, seek advice, and share your experience, fostering a supportive and collaborative environment. Are you ready to embark on a journey of artist expression through 3D gypsum wall decoration? Subscribe to Artful Plaster now and unlock a world of creativity, beauty, and craftsmanship. Thanks for watching my video.